mga Indian. Welcome to my video. So, if I reach 200 likes, I'll handcam myself. And on my hand, and I'll have handcam them. If I reach 1M likes, I will face reveal. My keyboard sucks, bro. Give me this fucking bit. Grrr. Wall. Not a boy actually. I'm not a girl actually. I'm a boy. Boing. I'm gonna register here, right? I'm gonna register somewhere, I think. I'm gonna register here. Bro, I think it's the big one. Bro, the fucking bitch! Ooh, gun! Bro, I forgot. I died. Skibidi Sigma. Skibidi Sigma. Stupid Skibidi. Oh, this Skibidi Sigma. Just dressing up like it and laugh. But this is a fake MM2. Her name is MMD. But this is fake. You see I have shift lock, this is fake. This is like MM2. Please MM2 ban this thing. Or Roblox. Roblox? Or Roblox. Sorry, I'm from Philippines. Pilipinas! Ina ninyo! What is... Let me get some. Bro, what the f... Bruh. Bro, so many things, bro. Just clicking the barking, bro. Take it. So, you ready guys for the handcam? If I reach 1M and 200k, I'll both them do it. Face reveal and handcam. If you want to add me, this is my username. Holiday Xmas or Cool459. See? Oh fuck no. Sorry, I'm no headline. This is why I hate them so much. They high blood my community. Here's giving this Sigma, bro. Fuck you, bitch. Pahiram cellphone mo, ma.
Ha?
Pahiram cellphone mo.
Pahiram ng tablet mo. Si ate ba na kanya-kanya na?
Hindi, sandali lang. Auto-tape. Hindi ko na ginagamit yung kamay ko. Nangangalit na ginagamit ko yung keyboard. I just want to be part of your symphony. You hold me fine when I let down. Symphony. You hold me tight when I let down.
Eh, nakita naman mo yung mga Diyos dito ng inano ko, no? Kalamero ka? Take out. Ah, shit. Hindi ko pa rin. Take out ka dito.
Ano siya sabi mo?
Pinaka.
Bro. Who's the fuck? Oh, I think he's over here. Bro! Fuck that mess. Good morning, everyone. Part 2.